In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a task in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct area before moving on, especially if you manage multiple spaces or projects. This will help you avoid duplicating a task into the wrong location. Next, navigate to the list where the task you want to copy is located. Once you find the task, click on it to open it fully. Opening the task first is important, because the duplication options are available from inside the task menu. Now look to the upper right corner of the task window and click the three-dot menu. This opens additional task actions and settings. From that menu, select Duplicate. At this point, ClickUp will prompt you to set up the copied task. First, enter a name for the new task. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly distinguishes the copy from the original, especially if you're using it as a template or creating a similar task for another workflow. After naming the task, choose what information you want to copy into the duplicate. Depending on your needs, you may want to include certain task details while leaving out others. Take a moment here to review your options carefully so the new task contains only the information you actually want to reuse. Once that's done, choose the new location for the copied task. Select the space, folder, subfolder, and list where you want the duplicate to be created. This step is especially useful if you're copying a task from one project area into another. Double-check the destination before confirming so everything stays organized. When you're ready, click Duplicate. ClickUp will then create a new task using the name, details, and location you selected. After the duplicate has been created, open the new task and review the copied information. This is a helpful final check to make sure everything transferred correctly. Also remember that any changes you make to the duplicated task will not affect the original task, so you can edit it freely without worrying about changing the source version. If you want to copy multiple tasks at once, go to a list view instead of opening individual tasks. Select the tasks you want to copy, then use the bulk action toolbar and choose Duplicate. This can save a lot of time when you're repeating workflows or setting up similar tasks in batches. Your ClickUp task has now been copied. Thanks for watching.